You don't trust them?
No, this thing is freaking heavy. I don't know, babe. I can bend this thing with my hand.
Alright, we are back in the commercial today, and today is Sunday, 39-degree high, which is about what it is right now. It's almost 1 o'clock, or about 1 o'clock, and it is rainy. It showed snow like all day, and then it changed. Still shows snow even at 39 degrees, which I know that's not going to happen. So it's been drizzling, and we'll see if we get more. But I just finished cutting because the big drill kept, I think it had the safety to not overheat. It kept cutting out. But I was able to finish it this morning. I was wanting to stain these last night, but it just was taking too long to wait for it to cool down enough to do a couple more holes. This morning I was able to do about 8 holes straight, and then I started feeling it getting warm, so I think I got just enough. Alright, so I got the holes done. We are ready to stain everything. We got lots to stain. All this, all these, and then that's all I'm doing today. I'm just taking it easy, so a couple hours total worth. Put these in the order. Should be exactly the same. Alright, back is Monday, January something, 22nd, I believe. Alright, so today I'm just down here for a short time again. It's cold out. We didn't get any snow yesterday. We're not supposed to get snow today until tonight. But I'm just going to get another coat of stain on this. Can't really work in here with the dust and everything once to get the stain going. And right now I'm just kind of waiting on these boards, and then I can start putting some stuff together. So today's a short day here, and then I'm going to go back and work on the files some more. So, second coat. Put the second coat in these holes too, just to have some extra. Especially the ones I'll be facing upward, which is this and that one. Hey babe.
Hey, babe. It's cold.
It is cold. Had this little heater in here all day, and it's what, 1 o'clock now? Noon? 1? Something like that. 1.
It's still cold.
Still cold. And it's gonna be cold tomorrow, and then it starts warming up. Alright, today is what? Thursday. January 26th, and we're not going to do much in here today, but we thought maybe we could put all this together, or at least set it up, something like that. All right, so
We're not in the mood.
we're not in the mood.
It's too cold.
It's too cold. And I'm uploading another episode, number 52. And I'm painting all the bolts and stuff. Okay. So I already have this lined up. This is the front. So the back needs another coat, but we could do that even after we hang it. I could do a coat on the back.
You know, I'm not picking up the gloves, so I'm putting these on. I don't want to get them all sticky. I'm cold. Is it sticky?
It's a little tacky. It's been drying for a couple days. Wow. So you can imagine how heavy this is going to be.
Are these little dingy things gonna hold this big thing up?
These are heavy duty thing.
Okay.
I think 4 of those will definitely hold this up.
Okay. You say so. How much does this weigh with the pole?
Well, the poles are hollow. This is heavy. I don't know. Show you more of it. You don't trust them?
No, this thing is freaking heavy. I don't know, babe. can bend this thing with my hand.
And what?
This.
And if it doesn't work, then what we're gonna have to do is get some industrial huge hinges. I don't know, maybe we should have looked at that on Amazon versus Home
I just
Depot.
didn't know this was gonna be this heavy.
Yeah. I mean, if we got hinges that extended further out, see how that pole goes here, so this won't interfere with that pole.
Okay.
But maybe we should have looked on Amazon for hinges that go way out. But you know what, if it doesn't work, we can order
Not
bigger
even
ones,
just,
right? You like the look though?
yeah.
It's gonna be cool, right? All right, babe. I think we're in agreement. Does this look good on that side underneath?
I'm gonna
Close
push it
enough?
out a little bit.
How's the top? Which means it may not be the most square.
It's just a tad though.
It's what?
Just a tad.
And that one's not.
See, yeah, and this is even, it's just right here.
See that little gap right there? Does that whole thing need to come down? It's perfectly even.
Is that, wait, is this side okay? Because you said that one was perfect over here, so is this one okay before you cut
Yeah.
it? And come look at the bottom. Otherwise you should put that one back here and then cut this one.
Well, this one's the shorter one already. It is kind of out. Just a hair. So maybe I do just slightly less than a quarter then. And that way they're both at least the same, right? So if that's a quarter, I'm just going to do a hair. And we should be good. Good call, babe.
On here.
Look at that. All right, 17. Better cut.
How does that make it guide though?
Because it's resting on this, on the metal, as I'm turning, so it's scratching it a little bit, but... Okay. Let's knock them out, babe. Call it a day,
Okay.
and we compromised. Love you, darling.
Love you, babe.
All right, we're back in here, and today is Friday. Happy Friday, the 26th of January. Not going to be down here long, just a quick minute, a few minutes. I'm going to finish cutting these poles that we started yesterday. I just don't want to risk overheating this tool, because if it goes out, then I got to buy another one. We've already went through one. And so I'm going to finish cutting these, another 6 cuts I believe, and then I'm just going to touch up the end of one of the 4x6s that we just cut yesterday to fit better. And then I'm done here for the day. After that, I'm gonna touch up paint too, I guess, on these poles. But I'll come back tomorrow. It's colder today. I think it's 41 out there right now. It's already almost 2 o'clock because I've been working at home on stuff. So I'm gonna do this and then go back home and do some more stuff for the rest of the evening. And then we have some friends coming over later. So, all right. Good times, good times. Oh, and it snowed. I think it all melted already, but it snowed last night. We weren't even expecting it. All of a sudden there was like chance of rain and mix, and next thing you know, we were watching a movie, Long Shot. That movie is hilarious. I was laughing through the whole thing. I love that movie. It's actually the second time watching it, and I even was laughing probably as hard the second time watching it as the first time. Definitely recommend seeing that. It's pretty funny. But there just hasn't many real good movies out or anything that we've been really, and this one I really liked it. So all right, but it did snow. We were out, that's what I was gonna say, we were an hour into the movie, and then all of a sudden I think Janee looked out the window, out the door, and there was almost a half-inch snow on the ground already. So that came from nowhere, and it stopped pretty much right after that. So we only got about a half-inch, but again, this year, mild winter, it's nothing. All right, I'm cutting these to 17 and 1/8, or about somewhere in there, 17 to 16th. So put this guard on the saw actually helps keep it straight. So the first cut I didn't put it on there, and I ended up being off, and then so it was an ugly cut. The rest of them have been pretty good. It's not perfect. The chop saw would be better, but this works fine because the ends aren't going to be shown anyway. So I'm wearing the same shirt. I gotta wash it because even by the time I got home, I could smell the burnt on it. But I didn't wash it yet because I knew I was going to do this. Well, hello there. I'm using my cell phone because I just got here and realized I left the camera on my desk at home. Bummer. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of video, not too much today. I'm gonna work on the gate. It's gonna be like 50 degrees today. It's noon. We're about 12:30 right now. Oops, don't cover up the camera. And it's gonna be like 50 degrees today, and then keeps getting warmer. It's gonna be almost 60. It's crazy. In end of January, it's gonna be 60. That's pretty warm for here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna work on the gate. So I need to paint these real quick. This one I think should be done. Might need a touch up. And then I'm going to put all these together and drill them together. Got that board done, fit them all perfect, clamp it down, and drill it. So I'm excited to get this. This is going to be so, yeah, very, very heavy. Holy crap. It's going to take Janee's worried these hinges may not even support it. These are pretty heavy duty. If it doesn't, we could certainly get bigger ones, probably online. These were the biggest they had at Home Depot or Lowe's, wherever I got it. Okay, so Yeah, that cell phone camera is not as fun, and I'm almost out of battery, I think. I forgot to charge the phone too, so it's about 30% I think right now. So let's get this going and I'll take some pictures afterwards. Alright, I'm almost done for the day, but we got Janee should be here soon. I'm gonna have her help me get it up because it was heavy getting that last one. I did get one up here already and got all the holes. I don't have enough bolts, unfortunately, so I gotta buy more bolts, but I got all the holes pre-drilled, so it'll be easy just to smack those in. But I've got enough to secure each side, and then I have 4 more to do the others, this one, which I'll probably do tomorrow at this point. But when Janee gets here, maybe she can help me lift this at least up in there. Yeah, and then tomorrow I'll secure that. I got, again, I'm short bolts, so I didn't do this one, but we got them pre-drilled. Got these in, and hopefully Janee likes it, because we were debating on that one yesterday. Oh, I think I hear her. Perfect timing. Hey, babe. How's your day? You doing good day? Yeah, these are not easy.
No?
No, trying to clamp all these together, and there's plenty of room, but it is so fine in there. I think it might be grabbing some wood and pushing it in.
Make it sturdy.
These are 25 inches total width, and then
how freaking awesome does that look?
you like it? You like the bolts?
Yeah.
I don't have enough to finish them, but I got them pre-drilled, evenly spaced. These are...
I like them with this.
Yeah. The wall,
so we're gonna flip it that way, and I'm gonna
yeah, go on this side.
This side?
Oh.
This is the back.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fine.
That's not gonna be the back. Turn.
Now you go right there. I just need to go around that.
So we have to flip it
around. How are we doing this?
So this side, you're gonna be where I was, and you're gonna be where you were.
Okay, I gotcha. Fit it.
Oh shit. There goes my boob.
You smashed it.
Don't have a boob anymore.
Hey.
This is freaking heavy as hell.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Watch your finger.
I can't lift it. Maybe. I can't.
Can you get it?
Okay.
Okay, over.
Experience.
I think we're in now.
Hey, this
Just
is.
tap it. Here, I got this. You got the hammer right behind you. in. Alright, we're in, but it's not secure, right? So we can't bevel it.
Bevel it?
Whatever. You can't think. Let me get this glue off.
Just trying to figure out what bevel is.
And the whole thing is over there.
Oh shoot.
These are gloves.
It kind of needs to be flat against a wall.
I know, but we can make it kind of flat.
Can we lay it on the ground?
No, we need the gravity. Alright, so I'm going to try to pick this up a little bit.
Don't bevel it too much, babe. I feel like it needs to be clamped right here.
We can't though. That's the whole point.
Right here, like one of those. This clamp.
Oh, like a wide clamp?
Like right where the crease is, just to
Oh.
help hold it.
Yeah, I'm good for that. Let's get these on first. We might be able to do something. Put a board, and then clamp the board to it. It might help keep it straight.
Yeah.
Let
That's
me-
exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah. Good thoughts. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way.
Smells a little pickly.
Pickled clamps.
They smell a lot like pickles. That's just gonna make it, don't do it too tight.
No.
It's gonna make it fall.
Yeah. But if you clamp like it might help, right? So let's see. Just hold it, okay?
It's like here all night till it dries.
Maybe the ground would be able to do. He's talking about that big floor space. What do you think?
Looks straight to me. I gotta sand it again?
This surface stuff, you got most of it. Alright.
Hey.